Welcome to Citizen Force News Channel. June 21st, 2026 witnessed 4 special celebrations at Citizen Force. The organization celebrated its 14th Foundation Day, the birthday of its founder P. Ramesh Babu, the induction of KSHRK Dharmaraju as Joint Managing Director, and the rendition of the newly approved version of Vande Mataram, which became a major attraction of the event. On this occasion, KSHRK Dharmaraju, chairman of Sri Vishwa Group of Educational Institutions, formally assumed charge as the joint managing director of Citizen Force. A special highlight of the program was the rendition of the new version of Vande Mataram, inspired by the spirit of the national song. Citizen Force members reaffirmed their commitment to the organization's mission and objectives. Addressing the gathering as the chief guest, Professor Y. Satyanarayana, founding Vice Chancellor of Damodaram Sanjeevayya National Law University, said that Citizen Force is dedicated to protecting citizens' fundamental rights while creating awareness about their fundamental duties. He observed that it was a unique coincidence that the foundation day of Citizen Force and the birthday of its founder P. Ramesh Babu fall on the same day. He expressed confidence that Citizen Force would continue to expand its activities across the country. Professor Avadani remarked that every great movement begins with a small step. Recalling the early days of Citizen Force, he said that the vision shared by Ramesh Babu was both inspiring and idealistic. He emphasized the importance of a clear roadmap and systematic planning for the organization's continued growth. Madhusudana Rao, chairman of the Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology, appreciated the cyber security awareness programs being conducted by Citizen Force. He commended the efforts of Ramesh Babu in working towards building a better society. Speaking on the occasion, Citizen Force founder P. Ramesh Babu said that the organization has been carrying out the service activities for many years using personal funds without seeking donations. He stated that Citizen Force was founded on the belief that no individual in society should be left helpless. He further stated that Citizen Force has built a strong nationwide network and recently constituted a national governing council to help bridge the gap between government and governance. He added that the organization is bringing together experienced professionals and intellectuals to carry forward its mission for future generations. Ramesh Babu said that Dharmaraju, who has rendered distinguished service in the field of education, was invited to join Citizen Force. He also welcomed the Association of Madhusudana Rao, known for promoting value-based education. He further announced that Citizen Force is working towards establishing a digital university under the leadership of Dharmaraju and is also making efforts to establish a cancer hospital in Krishna district. In his address, Dharmaraju expressed happiness at becoming a part of Citizen Force and assured that he would serve the organization with commitment and dedication while carrying forward the vision of P. Ramesh Babu. Among those present were Citizen Force founding director P. Uma Maheshwari, Captain Venkata Krishna Chaitanya, Dr. Sri Lalita Shivajyoti, P.V.N. Rajiv, Citizen Force Director S. Pavan Sagar, and several dignitaries from Sri Vishwa Group of Educational Institutions and other organizations. For Citizen Force News Channel, this is your correspondent Indira reporting. Jai Hind.